Oh dear, this deer has caused some massive damage to this Polestar. Oof. I know y'all could see it in the background, just a little bit of it, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. But to me, I feel like all new cars, regardless of whether it's electric vehicle or not, is just more expensive to pay or to repair. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a freaking Lexus. It's going to be expensive to repair. It could be any kind of vehicle. It's just that the more advanced these vehicles become with all these advanced features, the more expensive it is for it to repair. So to me, it doesn't matter whether it's an electric car or if it's a freaking or if it's a freaking gasoline vehicle. It honestly it does not matter. It's just expensive. Just the cost of everything is going up. I want to say that parts and labor isn't that crazy, but when I'm sorry, parts isn't that bad, but when it comes down to the labor, whoo, that's where he's getting hammered hard on the labor. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this parts list. So apparently, this person hit a deer, and to be honest with you, the damage does not look that bad. It doesn't look that bad, but everything just looks like all it to me. It just looks like he needs a new bumper, a little bit of a fit and finish over here, and that's it. Just simple, something simple like that. But no, man, something simple ends up being, yeah. So you're looking at labor is going to cost him about $8,000 just labor alone. And then once you add the parts list, is about $11,000, 500. Woo! And then of course you have your I don't know why this isn't kind of like added as part of, maintenance or whatever, but it doesn't matter. But so total is 21,544. Jesus. That's an incredible amount. I remember when I got my Ionic 5 fix, it didn't cost that much, to be honest. I think it was just like about a few grand, 3 to 4 grand or somewhere along those lines. So it wasn't too bad to get it replaced, but it wasn't really like a major accident. It wasn't like a head-on collision. It was more like just like a little ding. But anyway, even though it was just something not that big of a deal, it still cost about, I want to say 3 to 4 thousand. But it just depends on the body shop and where you're going for your estimate. Like this particular body shop charges $70 an hour to do the body, $70 an hour, and then mechanical labor, 164. There is not much mechanical. It's an electric car. What are they gonna do? Unless they specialize. Well, you know what? Sometimes these body shops will take the car to like a dealerships or somebody that's more mechanically inclined to fix any of those issues that may be wrong with it. So I don't know what they're gonna do with that. Who they're gonna take it to, to make sure the vehicle is safe to drive on the road. But still, this is a crazy. This is crazy when it comes to the to this estimate. That's a lot. And I'm wondering too if they took apart the vehicle and actually take and then kind of like look inside behind the bumper and everything and see how much more damage it's caused on there. I don't know if they did that or not, or if it's just kind of like a visual inspection and then they just go write their quote. I'm not sure. I would have loved to know more, but it is what it is. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this. And this actually just from hitting a deer. That's why I started it the way I started it. So that's those deers, man. Those they can cause havoc. So just be careful, guys out there and gals, guys and gals. Be careful out there. Watch out for those animals, man. They just pop out of nowhere, and unfortunately, you can't really respond in time. They don't give you the time to respond. I'm sure if they given this person time to respond, none of this would have happened. And it's crazy because all this systems that's in these vehicles, they're supposed to make it smarter and easier. But to me, it's still, at the end of the day, it falls on the operator. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. As always, make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you in the next one.